'Tis the season to be jolly as offices host work Christmas parties. But what happens if you, your colleagues, or your boss misbehave? Being drunk in and of itself is not a sackable offence, but as we all know, alcohol tends to fuel the kind of bad behaviour that could get you sacked. A drunk employee in Australia was sacked after they told their manager where to go at a Christmas party. An employment tribunal found they'd been unfairly dismissed. It said, if alcohol is supplied in such a manner, it becomes entirely predictable that some individuals will consume an excessive amount and behave inappropriately. But that outcome is unlikely in the UK. Our law emphasises the employee's obligation to maintain good behaviour in the workplace. That is a bit of a grey area. There was one case where staff went onto another venue after their Christmas party and a fight broke out. The company was found liable for the injuries. It all hinges on how official the after party is. Employment lawyers say to companies to distance themselves from after parties, and then the company can avoid any liability. Welcome to the morning after. So the damage has been done, you've already overdone it, and you're too hungover to go into work. If you just don't show up to work, your employer could call it an unauthorised absence and begin a disciplinary. But if you're unwell, you have a right to a sick day. You just need to go through the proper process of letting work know. If you do that and your employer doesn't think it's legit, again, they can investigate and take action. But work would have to really prove that you're not genuine, and again, the advice from lawyers to companies is to really consider it before taking further action. If you take anything from this, remember that an officially organised work Christmas party is deemed an extension of the workplace. That means all the usual rules apply to both you and your employer. They have a legal duty to keep you safe, and you have an obligation to behave responsibly. Happy Christmas.